I'm trying to show you all the real cool things to do in Iowa, but it's nighttime, so we got to come back in the day. The city market is really awesome too. There's a bunch of small vendors, local bookstore, American-made clothing, yielding at a stop sign.
What is that, Phones?
This was a really cool brewery with like, they had live music out here on the, I think it was on this corner. Sick.
Dude, oh, there's people in there.
There's a lot going on.
Where's
It's really, this is like, the bikers are here all day, every day.
in this area?
Very bikes out there, yeah.
Ooh.
I think this is about the end of it, but I think that, oh, I will obey this time. It's up here on the right. It's right, they've like redone their library and their
Oh, it's so shaky.
arts museum.
I can't hold it still, Captain. It's so shaky. That is pretty neat.
Nice.
Let me see if I can get on that face.
Hold on, there's corners. We're gonna make a turn, but this is gonna be pretty. They were literally rappelling from this building.
Rappelling off that building?
All the way from the top. It was like a fundraiser for. It was a fundraiser.
I see, I see.
Gianna's Italian beef.
There's just people
Delicious.
up in that catwalk, ain't there? Or is that painted on the glass?
I think it's on glass.
Oh. Big dummy.
But this is what's really cool. Up here on the left. It's like an outdoor. I mean, it's simple, but. Oh, it's not. They don't have it all.
Where we're at? We're in Cedar Rapids.
Cedar Rapids.
This is Cedar Rapids.
We gotta get out and walk it because there's just a lot of like big artwork that you can't appreciate unless you're on the ground.
Well, I can appreciate it through the zoom of my camera.
Well, they don't have the lights on either because normally that's lit up so you can really see the structures.
Oh.
That's really cool.
You underestimate the power
That's
of
the
zoom.
public library.
I know.
It's beautiful.
You underestimate the power of the zoom, though. Let me see what that guy's reading on that book. Don't move. Where's he at?
Flashers activated.
I've lost him. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's looking at the computer. Let's see what he's looking at.
Give him privacy. We're leaving.
No!
We're leaving. We're not.
What? I have no coat.
We gotta get out and show them.
I have no coat to call my own.
Aww. But see those big heads to the left?
Sarah. Huh?
To your left, right here. Like those are I don't know, it's just the details really cool.
You talking about the dirty windshield
No.
that makes you cross at it? Yes, we see the big heads. And we also see the unbearable, filthy windshield we're trying to look through. The lights are so bright. Oh, U.S. Cellular Center. Okay, I know where that is. I see the. So we're like cruising downtown Cedar Rapids, see?
Cedar Rapids. Very biker-friendly community.
Clarify, you mean bicyclists, not biker. There's Skogman's. Good old Skogman's. Couldn't make it now. Oh, there's fire below. Actually, no. Should I turn the camera when I see it? Will not be edited out. It's people know how I roll on my videos. I just say what's on my mind, leave it in there. Oh, goodness. I couldn't live in a big city like this. Just the sheer number of people. I just, I like my bushes and squirrels and rabbits. I like my space. Happy Joe's. Is that a hamburger joint, Happy Joe's? goodness, you're making it so shaky. It won't even focus because you're driving like a mad woman. Happy Joe's. Okay. So what are we doing? We're going to Five Below.
We gotta get a phone charger.
Oh, there's a Vanner full-time RVer's dream Aldi's.
Yeah, it's an amazing.
That's where you get your groceries
the
at.
best.
You get your groceries. So we're going to Five Below to make it rain.
Make it rain.
Make it rain.
$10.
And then we'll be back.
Hello. Today we're getting on the road. Keeping south and fixing to go see my family.
And we have nothing planned for today?
Nothing really planned other than that.
So if we see anything cool, we'll come back and turn the camera on. Hebert. Oh. Oh, movie's starting.
Here, in 1874, in West Branch, Iowa, the 31st President of the United States was born. The small cottage was built by his father and grandfather. It was a home with walls strong and secure. Curtains opening to windows on the world.
My roots are in the soil. The cottage where I was born is physical proof of the unbounded opportunity of American life.
Herbert Hoover never lost his fondness for West Branch.
So we made a stop at the Herbert Hoover National Historic Site. Nowhere, Iowa, but this is his birthplace, and it's got a really cool video inside. You don't need your parks pass to get in, but we're getting ready to explore the grounds to see maybe his home.
I think that's his home right. Is that his home right there?
I thought it was a little bit smaller. I thought it was more of like a one-story.
So this is like the walking part of the walking trail thing?
Yeah. The trail begins and the fall colors are still here, so it's really nice because back in North Dakota everything was gone and dead.
Yep. So we're just gonna, I see some cool statues down there. We'll just walk like a little bit of the trail. And
I think that's his house. I think that little
yes,
one.
that little one is his house.
Yeah. That is so tiny.
World of opportunity. So, I know this sounds like horrible. Yeah, this is his house, which is right over there.
Wow. That's really humbling.
So this is, oh, his name is Jay. I thought his name was Hoover.
No, Herbert.
Herbert.
This must be his dad's.
This is Herbert Hoover's birth cottage. And I still see that smudge on the lens. Wow, can you go up to it?
Yeah. I think it's important just to mention that he was the UNICEF leader.
Oh yeah, he started UNICEF, didn't he? But this is like the cottage he lived in with all his family? Oh wow, you can go in?
Oh man.
This is awesome. Oh yeah.
It feels great in here.
Oh. Wow.
This is a lot bigger.
Can you imagine living in? I would be thrilled to live in here, but they had like their whole family. So it's like a one-bedroom cottage with a, like I'm assuming it's like a bed for a child.
Yeah.
And of course the baby.
This is so huge on the. I mean, the inside is really comfortable.
I would love to live in this. Here we thought we invented tiny house.
But actually, this is it. So there's no kitchen.
Yeah, they said they didn't even have a kitchen in it.
Yeah. Because this is that side.
This is awesome.
Oh wait, there's something attached right there on the right side.
They're probably their pantry. This is their kitchen. So they had an outside kitchen. Sweet. Yeah, I could live in this, totally live in it.
This is really nice. And then like right here below you is like an underground cellar.
Yeah. I don't think the blacksmith is right behind them. I believe they just put that building here, like to complete the little tier thing. Surely they didn't have a blacksmith right behind them. And it looks like, I don't know. That looks modern.
I mean, just imagine there being no other houses. This would be.
But the outhouse, that's not uncommon to me being from Kentucky. We had outhouses when I was a kid. But you got to think, none of this was here then.
Yeah.
So this is like open fields,
Yeah,
farmland. So this would be awesome. The modern town wasn't here. So this would be an awesome place to live. This is Jesse Hoover, President Hoover's dad. Was this a replica? I know it's a replica, but it's the same thing of the blacksmith he had?
Yeah, it's for Dad, yep.
Oh wow, they did good collecting old antiques to put in here though. Hammer out a dinner gong. Oh, you have a triangle. Ding, ding, ding. So all this is not original, it's just a replica. It's not the original building. But they did a good job of finding old stuff, you know, to meet the time period. That must be how they made the rings for the wagon wheels.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I'm assuming because they got a ring in there.
Yeah.
Too bad we wasn't recording when we went into Super's house. That was funny. And he said like one more across the bridge. We crossed the bridge right there and there's one more building.
No, I think it's this one.
Well, he said we crossed the bridge though. Oh, here's the old school. This is the one right here.
Oh,
Ain't that like the school?
yeah. I guess when the doors are open, that's when it's...
So this is pretty much a replica of his little town. I'm assuming that's what they're doing. Yeah. Learn the ABCs. Well, I'm going in old school because it's cold today. Now, did he say this is original school or a replica?
I think it's all a replica.
I think the cabin is real.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So this would be the school. Yeah, it's pretty typical. We got a bunch of one-room schools back home in Kentucky, so this is pretty typical of that. Yeah. I mean, I'm not in all of it because I see this a lot.
Yeah.
There's still a lot of them still standing. Of course, everything's gone out of them, though. So if I understand right, the cabin is real. That's a childhood home.
Yeah.
And the blacksmith is a replica. And this going by the wood and the floor and everything?
I don't know because it says it's from 1853. That just seems like a really old.
Well, this school was here before but the wood and the floor looks like it might be original. You know, some of that stuff's hard to fake. So y'all can just put in the comments if you think this is real or replica, fake. Church / community center of the Quakers. I think, yeah, that's what it said, ain't it? So this was the women, ain't
Yeah,
the women's side of the church, and the men had their own side over here. Oh, and I gotta show you, what's the crybaby room?
It didn't say crybaby.
It did, it's a
Cry room.
right here. They didn't call it a nursery for the children. They called it a little brat crybaby room. No, I'm just being silly. But that's pretty cool. They called it a cry room and not a nursery.
Yeah.
I would have to call it the little spoiled brat room. I'm going back in because it's cold. But according to the sign we read, this is a Quaker's church, I'm gonna call it. This was the women's side, and the men had their own little, what you can call it over there. And I'm freezing. Are you freezing?
I'm freezing.
It's cold today, but I'm glad we stopped here. This video is probably like 7 hours long, but and I see a sign over there for some. Are we gonna check it out or?
Yeah.
Because it's super cold, folks.
It's super cold, man.
I'm ready to get
Heat it burns.
Yeah, but it was still worth the stop. Where are we at actually? The town.
We're south of Cedar Rapids.
So this is well advertised. We just saw a sign and pulled off, and here it was. But I think it's worth the stop, don't you?
Absolutely.
If you love history, it's actually diverse history. I like American history. This has got some Quaker and everything in it.
West Branch. We're in West Branch, Iowa, off of Interstate 80.
Yeah, this is well worth the stop. But I'm gonna pause this here because actually my battery's about dead. This cold weather's sucking my battery. So we're gonna say bye.
Bye.
Bye.